Greetings everyone. Thank you all for tuning into this video. I know that there's so many other things that you could be doing, so it means that much more to me that you choose to watch me talk about shoes. I want to give a special shout out to all the subscribers because we've officially passed 1,500 subs on this channel. Let's just keep growing. Soon we'll be at 5,000 subs. So if you're new here, remember to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. If you're old here or not so new, just keep watching the videos and feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know your thoughts on these sneakers. Okay, today we finally get to talk about the Li-Ning Way of Wade 9 coming home. You know how it goes when you're ordering a pair of Li-Nings. They're coming from China, so you have to expect a long delivery time coming to the US. This pair released on January 29th for a retail price of $225 US. I know, that's a lot of money, especially for a basketball shoe, but you know what? We reviewed the Way of Wade 9 Infinity recently, and I have to say that I think this is worth the money. So this colorway is called Coming Home, and it's Dwyane Wade's way of showing some love to his hometown of Chicago, Illinois. We mostly know D Wade for being a Miami Heat legend, but in the 2016 NBA season, he did go back home to Chicago to play with, okay, I don't remember anyone else who was on that team. Jimmy Butler? Shout out to Chicago though. If anyone is watching this video from Chicago, let me know in the comment section below. The colorway is all red, as you can see here. Red must be a really big thing in Chicago. Of course, the Bulls wear red. I love the Red October color scheme on this silhouette. I've actually liked a lot of the colorways that have dropped for the Way of Wade 9 so far. D'Angelo Russell has played in a lot of them this season. Anyway, let's get into the features of the Li-Ning Way of Wade 9 coming home. On the base of the sneaker, you have a lightweight red mesh covering the upper. It has a little pattern of texturized bumps going all around. You also have a zipper running right down the front of the shoe, and behind that zipper you have some fine red laces. All red everything. The tongue is super cozy and it's attached to the sides of the shoe with a little booty contraption. But at the top of the tongue, they got a little funky with the design. There's these bristle grooves at the top of the tongue and they kind of feel like those puffer balls that you would get at book fairs. Underneath that is a red sort of spiral design, and the interior of the sneaker is pretty comfy too. You have some traction lines right there at the Achilles, and there's a bump of padding on both the lateral and medial side to give your foot some added stability inside the shoe. At the rear of the sneaker, you have these two pull tabs to help you get your foot in and out. Jumping to the forefront of the shoe, you have this shiny red TPU stabilizer, and it just says D Wade right across it. Dwyane Wade is making sure that you know whose shoes these are. He's actually retired and probably has the best looking shoes in the league right now. Smack dab in the middle of the shoe, you have a P-back stabilizer. Very sturdy as it keeps your foot in place, and it creates that eclipse plate as your foot is raised up from the midsole. Also, on the medial side of the P-back stabilizer, you have Dwyane Wade's signature. At the rear of the midsole, you have that Way of Wade logo on that carbon fiber sheet. And on the medial side, it's more of like one of those things that you would see in Jimmy Neutron. You've got full boom cushioning in the midsole, and that is equivalent to your boost cushioning that you're familiar with from Adidas. So it is very comfortable cushioning for you to play basketball in. However, I could also just see people wearing these casually. Flipping over to the outsole, as you'd imagine, it is all red. The traction pad is like a bunch of atoms hooking onto each other. There's a patch in the middle of the outsole where you see that carbon fiber sheet again, and over it are 5 red stars. That probably means something in Chicago, but I have no idea. And there you have it. We've reviewed the features of the Li-Ning Way of Wade 9 coming home. Now let's slap these on feet and see what they feel like.
First thing on my mind when I wake up is get on that grind. First thing on my mind, First thing on my mind when I wake up is get on that grind. Cause we don't got no time. First thing on my mind when I wake up is get on that grind. First thing on my mind, First thing on my mind when I wake up is is good on that grind. Cause we don't got no time. Don't talk if you don't know my government. Shout out to spread, we came up from the mud with this. I see the fame and the stuff that come with it. Stay in my lane, but bring pain like it's punishment. You know my name, kid, it's taste, spreading love again. Can't change, I keep it a bucket list. Look at my bucket list, gotta give me a fresh call. Donald Trump, while his wife, that's profane.
Okay, first of all, I could have sworn that I ordered a US size 11.5 because I did a review on the Way of Wade 9 V1.5 and definitely needed to go up a half size in those. But these came in my true to size US 11, so maybe I just messed up while ordering. However, the fit is not terrible, it's just a little snug. I would still suggest going up a half size, and if you do have wide feet, maybe you want to consider going up a full size in the Way of Wade 9. Now, I mentioned that I'm not mad at paying the $225 US for these. It is still a lot of money, but I do understand all that goes into manufacturing a pair of sneakers, and it wasn't cheap for them either, especially with a shoe like this that has so much technology in it. Especially as a devout disciple of the Yeezy basketball line, those shoes are like $250 or $300. So for $225, you're getting everything here in the Way of Wade 9. I would say that that's worth it. They also look good on feet. As I've mentioned, we've seen D'Angelo Russell play in them a lot this season prior to unveiling his own signature sneakers that should be coming soon. I didn't even notice that down here at the bottom of the zipper, you have 9 in Roman numerals. But yes, let me know what you guys think of the Way of Wade 9 coming home. Did you cop? Is the price too high? Let me know all of that below in the comment section. Again, thank you to everyone tuning in and watching this sneaker review. Remember to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and if you made it to this point in the video, comment, Bulls are back. Much love to all the new subs. Hope to chat with more of you soon. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.